so low.
Welcome back to my channel, my Finapple family. Thank you guys so much for coming back. And today, this will be the start of my new segment, Get Real. Yes, it's called Get Real. And here is where I get real with you guys when you guys send me your questions. Okay? First of all, I would like to say that I am no therapist or anything. I'm not claiming to be Dr. Phil. I'm not telling you that everything I say, honey, will come through. I'm not a psychic. I'm just telling you how I feel about the situation. It's up to you how you want to take it, but everything I say, I hope you take it in a positive way rather than a negative way. So, with all that said and done, let's get into the video. So, someone sent me a question, and I'm just going to look for my Lipsy app. And for those of you guys who want to send in questions, the link will be in the description box down below. So be sure to shoot me your questions. So let me get this. Okay. It says, "Hi Get Real, my name is Samantha from Georgia. I have body issues that go back to my days in high school and got worse in college. I am 23 years old. I have always been bullied about my body, and people laugh at me and how I look. The rest of my family members have a better body shape than I do, and it always bothers me. I have done some research and found Dr. Miami, child, and even set up a consultation. I called a family meeting to tell everyone my intentions, and everyone got scared. And I am tired of being bullied and called names, and I have no idea what to do. Please help me." First of all, I would like to say that I have been in a similar situation like this. Growing up, I was an athlete, and I was a late bloomer in everything. I didn't have breasts, I didn't have ass, nothing. I didn't even have my period. So basically, I was very athletic built. I didn't have any breasts or anything. I had maybe a little ass poking out there, but it wasn't all that. And I was always subconscious about myself. I was always wondering, like, why am I not blossoming into this beautiful flower that I really want to be? And I have had issues with my neck. I was so skinny that my neck was so long. So I was always depressed about myself. So I totally understand where you're coming from. However, I don't think I said it, but she is also thinking about doing a BBL, which is a Brazilian butt lift. And in my opinion, sweetie, I wouldn't do it. The reason why, you're still young, and times change, your body change. If you look at the members of your family, I'm not saying that you will be just like that, But if you look at the members of your family, you can see what might happen to you in a few years. No, if you go to Dr. Miami and do this consultation and go through with the surgery and stuff, trust me, there is a strong possibility that you won't be looking like what Dr. Miami did to you in a few years. It's only for a while unless you maintain it. So in my opinion, I would just tell you to relax, stay positive. Stay positive. That is the most important thing. And first of all, you have to love you. Learn to love yourself. People can bully you, but it's how you take it. I used to get bullied about my neck being too long. Yeah? And now that my body has filled out, my neck ain't long no more. My neck ain't long no more unless I push it up. No. I totally understand how you feel, because I was in that situation and it came to a point where I felt like I was going to commit suicide. This is Get Real. I'm just going to get real with you guys. I wanted to commit suicide. And it's for more than one reason. But that was one of the reasons. You have to learn to love yourself. Because ain't nobody out there gonna love you more than you. And that's a fact. So after you get your BBL and whatever else done, you still have to love yourself. Because it could come to a point where you don't find love. What are you gonna do about that? Samantha? Samantha, I know 2 persons who have done BBLs. And up to this day, they regret it. Because it wasn't done properly. I know of someone who is actually basically a vegetable because of plastic surgery or cosmetic surgery. So I suggest that you don't do it. Obviously, you can do whatever you want to do because you are your own woman. But my suggestion is not to do it. And if I was your family, I would have gotten scared too, because that is very scary. You're putting your life at risk just because you don't love the way you look. It's not worth it. It's not. I don't want you to be like that person that I know who is a vegetable. I don't want you to be a vegetable. And if it is that you need someone to talk to, reach out to me. Talk to me on Instagram or Snapchat. I'm going to be here for you. But I don't want you to do it. I am just being real with you. If you do it, I'm not going to be upset with you, but I don't want you to do it. But this is scary, and I don't even know you, and I feel like I want to cry. I feel like I want to cry right now. But I'm pleading with you and I'm telling you not to do it. It is not worth it. Not worth it. Everything would fall in place. Yeah? Sometimes you need to use this as a learning process and not take it so hard. You're taking it too hard. Use this as a learning experience for you. When they bully you, accept it, because that is you. Whatever they're saying, it is you. If it's not true, then you back up yourself. But if your ass is small and your tit is small, I used to flaunt what I had when I didn't have it. Sometimes you gotta fake it until you make it. I'm not saying that you should go there and stuff your stuff, you know, but just accept what you have. That's all you have to do. Now, Samantha, I am serious when I tell you, reach out to me if you need someone to talk to. I am here for you. So, girl, send me a DM. And if you guys are wondering about this makeup right here, it is a pre-recorded makeup tutorial that you guys will see on my channel pretty soon. Maybe after this video, because I need to get this video out. So don't forget to send your questions to my Lipsy link down below. Go down now and let's talk, and let me get real with you guys. Yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and click the notification bell so you are notified every time I upload. Bye guys, I love you.